Did you know your Galaxy S26 can answer calls for you and even translate conversations in real time? If you haven't explored Call Assist yet, you're missing one of the most powerful AI features on your phone. Hi everyone, this is Grace and welcome back to the Pinoy Tech Tips channel. In this guide, I'll show you exactly how to set it up and customize it so you can filter spam calls, screen unknown numbers, and even talk to someone in another language without any extra apps. Let's get started. Let's start by opening your settings. Tap the gear icon to launch the Settings app, then scroll down and tap Galaxy AI. Here you'll see a list of all Samsung AI features available on your device. Tap Call Assist to continue. Inside this menu, you'll find two main features you can use, namely call screening and live translate. Let's set them up one by one. First is call screening. Tap call screening to open its settings. At the top, turn the feature on by tapping the switch. Once enabled, your phone can answer unknown calls for you and filter out spam before it even reaches you. Now tap Auto Screen Calls. This allows your phone to automatically filter unknown numbers, including suspected spam and scam calls. Tap Suspected Spam and Scams, then tap Turn On from the pop-up. Now here's a quick tip before moving on. If you're getting too many unknown calls daily, this feature is one of the best ways to control them without manually blocking numbers. Next, let's customize call screening language and voice. Go back to the call screening menu, then tap Language. Here, you'll see the default language installed, usually English US. To add another language, tap Download next to the language you want, then wait for it to install. If you want to remove a language, tap Delete, select it, then Confirm. Now go back and tap Voice. You can choose the voice your phone will use when screening calls. To add more voices, tap Add Voice, then tap Download. Once installed, select your preferred voice and adjust the speech rate using the slider. Let's proceed to setting up Live Translate. Go back to the main Call Assist menu, then tap Live Translate. Turn it on using the switch. Next, select your language under Me and the other person's language under Other Person, then tap OK. If a language isn't downloaded yet, follow the on-screen instructions to install it. Once enabled, your phone can translate conversations in real time during calls. Now here's where it gets even more powerful. You can fully customize how translation works during calls. Under the Me section, tap Language to change your language. Tap Voice to choose how your translated voice sounds, and adjust the speech speed if needed. If you want the other person to only hear the translated version of your voice, turn on Mute My Voice. Otherwise, leave it off. Next, scroll down to the Other Person section. Tap Language to select or download their language. Tap Voice to choose how their translated speech will sound to you. You can also turn on Mute Other Person's voice if you only want to hear the translated version. Here's a feature most people miss. Tap Language and Voice presets for each person. This lets you assign specific languages and voices to certain contacts. So every time you call them, translation settings are already configured. Now for the bonus feature. Tap Live Translate in other apps. Turn this on to use real-time translation in supported apps like Google Meet and Instagram. Once enabled, you'll see the Live Translate panel in your quick settings when using supported apps. Imagine calling someone who speaks a completely different language and still having a smooth conversation. That's exactly what this feature is built for. And that's how you fully set up and customize Call Assist on your Galaxy S26. If this guide helped you, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more Galaxy S26 tips and AI feature guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.